Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to keep tabs on data from multiple sheets in Smartsheet, or you simply want a smarter, more efficient way to see the information you need without hunting through piles of spreadsheets, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create powerful, customized reports in Smartsheet so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's jump right in. First, start by heading over to the Browse section in your Smartsheet workspace. This is your home base for finding and organizing sheets, templates, and of course, reports. When you're ready to make a new report, look up to the top right of your screen and click on the Create button. It's your gateway to building just about anything in Smartsheet, and for reports, it's the first crucial step. Now here's a step that's easy to overlook, but it makes all the difference. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu that pops up and click on Report. Smartsheet will now present you with two choices, the row report and the sheet summary report. If you're not sure what these mean, don't worry. A row report pulls in rows from one or many sheets based on the conditions you set. It's perfect when you want a bird's-eye view across various projects or teams. Sheet summary reports focus on summary fields, so they're great for compiling high-level metrics. For today's demo, let's click on Row Report. That way, you can see exactly how to combine data from different sources and make sense of it all. So you've landed in the row report setup. The next step is to choose your source sheets. Think of this like telling Smartsheet where you want it to pull data from. Here, where this gets powerful. If, say, you manage several department reports, maybe sales, marketing, and HR, you can select as many source sheets as you need. Smartsheet will then let you combine all those details into a single, dynamic report. This saves you the hassle of flipping back and forth, and means you'll always have an up-to-date overview without manual copying and pasting. Once you've picked your source sheets, click Next. Now you're able to select the columns you'd like to include in your report. Maybe you want to see task name, owner, status, and due date. Grab whichever columns matter most to you or your team. Remember, it's not about pulling in everything, just what's actually useful. At this point, you can also set up filter criteria. Think of this like telling Smartsheet, only show me rows where the status is in progress, or perhaps, I only want to see items due this week. Simply pick the field you want to filter by, then specify the value. Filters let you zero in on exactly what's relevant so your report isn't cluttered with old or irrelevant data. Now, for even more clarity, you can add grouping. Maybe you want your report arranged so all tasks are grouped by department or by assigned owner. Just select the appropriate field under Group, and Smartsheet will organize your rows accordingly. And if you want your data in a particular order, you can easily sort it by any column, ascending or descending. Sometimes a little organization can make a massive difference in how quickly you spot trends or issues. A really handy feature here is summarization. With functions like sum or count, you can automatically tally totals or see how many tasks meet a certain criteria, kind of like having built-in analytics straight inside your report. Finally, before you wrap up, double-check your sort options. Make sure your key columns are organized in a way that makes sense for how you'll actually use the report. And that's it, you've just built a flexible, time-saving Smartsheet report. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to customize things just right. Reporting is all about making your information work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy reporting.